Greetings. In Batumi, in the Black Sea, about 30 meters from the shore, an explosion thundered. Presumably, a naval mine detonated. The Georgian Coast Guard officers checked the entire coast on speedboats. The death toll in the earthquake in Turkey is approaching 32,000. Georgia sent more than 100 tons of humanitarian aid to Turkey. There are 100 Georgian rescuers in Turkey, including sinologists. A new group of 85 Georgian firefighters rescuers went to Turkey for the purpose of rotation, scheduled replacement. The team is equipped with modern acoustic devices, drones, communications equipment and all kinds of special rescue equipment. The Kazakhstani low-cost airline FlyArystan will start flights from Almaty to Kutaisi from June 4. Now the low-cost airline operates direct flights to Kutaisi from Astana, Atyrau, Aktau and Shymkent. 13-year-old Georgian figure skater Inga Gurgenidze won first place at the international tournament in Ljubljana, Slovenia. Georgian basketball player Goga Bitadze moved to the American basketball club Orlando Magic, where he will play at number 35. In Georgia, a full-scale strike was announced by workers at the Sairme mineral water bottling plant. Among the requirements are a 30% increase in salaries and the provision of safe working conditions. The Georgian-Spanish duet of Ekaterina Gorgodze and Leira Romero-Gormaz won the tennis doubles tournament in Portugal. Good luck to all of you.